Hello from Slovenia again. It's a beautiful day here in Slovenia, sunny. So I'm kind of inspired by all the stuff that's going on. So I want to do kind of a bright painting today with the 6-chamber split cup from paintpourstore.com. You will find link to those cups and discount code in my description box. And I have 12 by 12 inch canvas on just a regular spinner. And for the colors, as I said, I want to have some kind of bright but with a little bit of dark. So I will start with titanium white and Amsterdam Azo yellow lemon, and Amsterdam Reflex Orange, and Vallejo Quinacridone magenta, and Arties colors Alizarian violet, and Arties colors Indigo. Okay, so this is how my cup looks. And this time I will try to do this split cup pour a little differently. I will pour kind of a straight or ribbon pour around, and then I will go towards the middle. So let's do that. Whew. Okay, I will pour some white around for my flow extender, kind of. And then I will see if I want to do something with this around, because I'm not quite happy with it, I think. This is so beautiful. Just a little bit of this off. Because it was too obvious that I did that skewer thing and it didn't fit there, I think, because I think that this is much more beautiful. I will just try to stretch this part just a little bit to that corner. Okay, perfect. Wow, it's just perfect. This way I see kind of a dark angel here with the wings. This way for you. Wow, it's gorgeous in all ways. So let me take you down for a close-up. So this is a half dry painting. Those edges are dry yet. It's glowing so much, or how can I say, that it's hard to show on camera even. But the details, and you can see that indigo drying really dark here. Maybe you will see, but it's so three-dimensional, the whole thing, but so hard to show on camera because of the glow and everything. but I'm beyond happy with this painting, and this way it's a dark angel here and my feet. See you on the next one. Bye.